Let's see the ingredients for mango lassi. Here we have yogurt or curd. This is 1 cup, half cup of chopped mango pieces, and I've removed the skin, and this is the flesh of mango. And here is some sugar. Now sugar you can take 4 to 5 tablespoons, but since I like less sweet, I've reduced it to only 2 tablespoons. You can adjust the quantity of sugar. Now this recipe is super easy with very few ingredients and can be made within 5 minutes. Now here I am having one blender jar, and to this we'll add everything. We'll add yogurt, then mango pieces and sugar. This mango lassi or mango smoothie, you can also add ice cubes, but right now I am just skipping ice cubes. And now we will blend it together. Our mango lassi is ready, and you can see nice yellow color of mangoes. And now we will serve it, and make sure to serve it chilled. And right now I am not adding any ice cubes. You can add ice cubes to it, or while taking the curd, while using curd or yogurt for this lassi, you can take chilled curd. We have served our mango lassi, and now on top of this I'll just add mango pieces for decoration. Also I'll add mint leaves, and serve this mango lassi chilled and enjoy this summers. You can try out this easy mango lassi recipe, and also you can check my other mango recipes, mango ice cream, kulfis, etc. The recipe links I have given below in the description box. You can check them.